In this video I would like to show you how to remove your gel-X nail step by step without damaging your natural nail, and as well the safest and the fastest way to remove them. Here you can see what we're starting with, and my nails are pretty outgrown, and as well from the bottom there's a lot of dirt, and now I would like to show you everything you need to remove your gel-X nails. So you would need an e-drill, the nail bits, a normal nail file, a cuticle pusher, Vaseline, rubbing alcohol, acetone, cotton pads and cotton pad clippers, foil and a buffing block, nail hardener and a nail oil. Taking now a cotton pad and a little bit of the rubbing alcohol, I'm removing any dirt or excess that sits on my nails. The first step to remove now your gel-X nails is to take a nail file and remove any of the nail polish that sits on the nail plate, and the best would be to remove as much as possible without damaging your natural nail, because then the soaking off later takes less time. And because I think this whole process goes a lot faster with my e-file, I'm removing with long and gentle strokes the most gel polish that I can remove from my nail plate, but without touching it. But if you don't have a nail drill at home, you can of course use your normal nail file. And removing any gel polish with an e-drill, it's important to never stay on one place too long. So here you can see that I'm always taking gentle strokes and very long ones to never sit on one place for a longer time than a few seconds. The next step now would be to remove the length of the tips, and because I want to keep my natural nails as long as possible, I'm just removing so much that I don't cut my natural nails with. And because I before forgot to first clip off the nails and then file off the layers of the nail polishes, I'm now doing the same steps I did on my left hand, on my right hand, but in the opposite order. Because the soaking process with the acetone will take some time, I don't want the acetone to sit on my cuticles for that long, and by putting Vaseline on your cuticles, I'm trying to protect them from the acetone. This looks right now very messy, but for me I find this very helpful to not damage my cuticles that much, and right now I'm taking the cotton pads and soaking them in the acetone, and I want to show you two different options how to remove your gel-X nails. So if you don't have the cotton pad clippers but rather foil at home, you can see here that I'm taking a bit of the foil and wrapping it around the cotton pad, because in there the heat of the acetone gets also activated and removes the gel polish, but I find it easier to just use the cotton clippers, but both ways will work. And all these steps I did before, I'm now repeating on my other hand. Letting everything soak for 15 minutes, I'm taking one cotton clipper off and I'm trying with the cuticle pusher to remove the gel polish, but if I think it's not working as well and the gel polish is still sticking too much to my natural nail, I'm putting the clipper back on and I'm waiting a few more minutes. After now 5 minutes, I'm taking all my clippers off and I'm trying to remove as much gel polish as I can, and this step is looking very messy, but here you can make sure to remove anything that gets off. After trying to remove as much as possible, there is still excess left on the nails, and then for the last time I'm soaking the nails again for 10 more minutes. Here you can see that I'm using a cuticle pusher made out of a little bit sharper material, and now again I'm pushing everything off with light and gentle strokes. As you can see here, there's still some excess left on the nails, and with the nail file I'm now removing everything that sits still on my nail plate. And in between, it's really important to clean your nails with rubbing alcohol because of the dust I as well often don't see where I still have to file, and because I want to file as less as possible, I'm always cleaning the nail in between. And because the buffing block has finer sides, I'm trying to remove smaller excess, and with the black side I'm giving the nail a little bit of shine back. Applying now this nail strengthener, I'm trying to help my nails get a little bit more healthier after doing so much work on the nail plate and near your cuticles, and I really like this nail strengthener because after using it for even 1 week, my nails are very strengthened and healthy, and I can again apply gel-X nails. Even after one use, you can see here that the nails look a lot more shiny and healthy. And now for the last step, I'm applying nail oil and cream to moisture my hands. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope I could help you with removing your gel-X nails a safe and damage-free way, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I hope to see you soon.